Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello, welcome. In this week's video we got another Astound PolyGel nail tutorial. As you saw, I got my nail forms, PolyGel brush. I also got my dish in which I will be pouring in my slip solution. I'm going to first be applying some Ultra Bound primer. I already filed and cut down my cuticle beforehand. I'm going to next be applying some base coat and curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. The color polygel I'm going to be using is the coral pink and it looks like this. Got my dual forms pre-measured. When measuring, make sure it fits perfectly onto your nail and keep an eye out for those edges. For my middle finger, it might look overfilled, and that's because it is. This kit didn't really have a perfect fit for my middle finger, so I worked with what I had for this kit. Always start off small and work your way up with the polygel. Cure that for 120 seconds. When removing your dual form, just twist left and right and it will pop out just like that. As easy as grabbing a file and filing the sides, and voila, your nail is done. As you saw, I finished my thumb and now repeating everything to my other nails. Another thing is to keep an eye on the polygel to the corners of your forms. Make sure you turn it around so you can see where exactly the polygel is in the form. And now for some filing. Always make sure you dust off any residue when filing or buffing down your nails. Adding top coat to all my nails. Curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. For the design of these beauties, I'm going to be using some beautiful rhinestones in form of flowers for the upcoming spring season. I'm using my top coat as glue for the rhinestones. I ended up only using this royal blue and this purple color. Have fun watching me struggle with these rhinestones. I'm going to be using my green acrylic paint to paint in the stems and leaves. Only thing that's missing is my cuticle oil. We cannot forget about this. Huge shout out to all my people for getting me to 200 subscribers. Y'all are so amazing and I appreciate every single one of y'all's. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week and have an amazing, beautiful, gorgeous day. See y'all next time. Bye.